Okay guys, here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is going to be done by Scarlett. On a Bristol thick white paper, let's sketch out the top clothing design that you want with pencil. After you have the sketch, let's trace the lines with the black Sharpie. Now, we're all ready to color, and we're going to try out this water washable markers from Crayola. Color your favorite patterns to the paper. When you're ready, let's get ready for water, brush, and salt. This marker bleeding technique only works with water washable markers. If you don't have them, you can also use watercolor instead and still get the same results with the salt and water. Make sure to add salts to the surface when the paint is wet. Once it's all done, let's cut it out. Pom-pom time! We all done! Thank you so much for watching our video. See you next week. Bye!